Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel, Explore with Kola. I was reading based on Google Maps, which led to me a blind spot in the middle of the railway track. Good morning. Welcome to our channel, Explore with Kola. Let's start this new journey by exploring a place called Nrityagram. The distance to Nityagram is around 50 plus kilometers by car from my location, which is Kadugudi Whitefield, Bangalore. So let's begin our ride. It's a new world out there, go make it. Doesn't it matter? Reach out for the stars and fly. പുതിയൊരു ലോകം ഇളം തെന്നൽ മൂളുന്ന ഗാനം ഇളവയിൽ പോലുള്ള സ്നേഹം. I was reading based on Google Maps, which led to me a blind spot in the middle of the railway track. The road was closed by metal barriers, so there was no other choice for me. I lifted my cycle and went through the barrier. അറിയാമോ പിറാക്കളെ ഇങ്ങനെ ജീവിതം പുതിയൊരു ലോകം ഇളം തെന്നൽ മൂളുന്ന ഗാനം. It's a new world out there, go. Following Google Maps, I reached another isolated area, which appears to me the end with there is no way to go forward. I turned back and took the bike road by changing the Google Map option. Here we are, the place we are all waiting to have a look. Looks mesmerizing. Let's begin and see. Here we are, Nrityagram, India's first modern Gurukul for Indian classic dances and an international community in the form of a dance village, set up by Odissi dancer Protima Gauri in 1990s.
కనిమానవావతారుడే కనిపించినాడే నటన త్యాగరాజు కనిమానవా అవతారుడే.
Please do like and subscribe.